In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A12s, and let me show you how to block a number on this phone. So first of all, you need to reach not settings but phone dialer, tap on more icon and go to settings. Here you will notice block numbers at the top of the list, and as you can see here you've got several options. So you can block all unknown and private numbers. Just by tapping on the switcher you can do it. Obviously you can turn it off the same way. Then you can block spam and scam calls. Just click here, and now you can manage this feature. Tap on this icon, and then you can block high risk scam only or block all spam and scam calls. It's up to you, but I will switch it off for now. And then what is most probably most interesting for you, you can block some particular number. So if you've got some annoying caller, you can either enter his or her number here manually, you can pick it from recents or from contacts. And from now on those numbers are blocked. If you'd like to remove them from your blacklist, tap on minus and they'll be removed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.